Legend and welcome to a new video, and this time it will be making or painting this beautiful mask made by 3D models Dominic. I will leave a link down below, and here you can see the nice work what she made on the mask. As you can see, I started like always spraying the mask with a primer in the spray can, and I cover it like in a few smooth layers, the smooth finish like always. I'm really excited to finally paint and kind of made 3D model, because it was my kind of like a small dream, because I want to make a huge diorama one day just only with 3D models, or maybe something from World of Warcraft, because I'm a huge fan of World of Warcraft. Of course, I'm a huge fan of a metal, like this is mask of the Swedish band called Ghost, and as you can see, I just sprayed the main color with a gloss black in the spray can, just cover it, the whole mask in it, and after that I use again spray, this time this shiny like a chrome paint, and it looks excellent. Like it almost shine like a mirror. Yeah, we can somehow improve it, but I didn't test it, so I just sprayed like few smooth layers on it, and it, as you can see, it made the job done as well. Like wow, this looks really astonishing and cool. After that, I just make a little bit of shading with just a black and aluminum color, and of course I paint small areas around the eyes to make it a little bit darker and added a small depth to it, so it will be not only like in just one dull color, but of course, as I said, I painted eyes, of course some areas around the cheeks, kinda I can say, and you can see closer look how I paint eyes with a darker aluminum or chrome color. It's up to you. And with this step is the mask finished. It was a really nice and fast video. Here you can see how I look in the mask, and the whole mask finally complete. It looks awesome. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.